Yes.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Grand Callback ng Mr. sa Pilipinas 2024 at of course, very familiar, may nagbabalik. Siyempre, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Patrick Reyes and I'm representing Occidental Mindoro.
Okay, so Patrick, this is not your first time joining the pageant, Mr. sa Pilipinas. This is a big comeback. Anong iba kay Patrick sa last competition versus sa Patrick ngayon?
Well, yung Patrick kasi before is very childish, very mature, very playful, not very serious ako nung ginagawa niya sa ngayon, I prepared a lot and actually those years na nag-contemplate ako sa sarili ko and ngayon, contemplate ko sa sarili ko na bakit di ko na naseryosohin kung competition ko. Well, I enjoyed a lot to be honest last year. So now that I really want to redeem myself. Dapat magka-title ako before ako mag-artista and such. So, that's it.
Okay, speaking of contemplation, what made you decide to join again this year?
Super daming taong nag-expect sa akin. Like, even my family. Kasi right now, I am a undergraduate. Although nag-aaral ako ng chiropractor in very far away like Canada. So, the main reason why ako nag-join sa Misters is yun nga, nasabi kasi na gusto ko yung redemption ko sa sarili ko na okay, hindi na ako yung Patrick na put-putin, maliit lang. So ngayon, lalaban na.
Okay, so ano yung pinagkakaabalahan mo for the past year?
For the past few years, I've been doing such judging, content. Most of most of it is workshops sa mga other channels like sa GMA, Go See Here sa Sparkle, Freelance Model, and so for preparation for this 11th edition of Mr. Philippines.
Okay, so good luck Patrick. Hoping na mapabilang ka sa official candidates natin this year for Mr. sa Pilipinas. Once again, guys, we have with us Patrick Reyes from Occidental Mindoro.